Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, good morning and welcome back to my video. Actually today I am supposed to go to a place and hold a video like a blogging video as well, and as you can see on the right side this is our eternal place, but eternal place is called like everyone can deny everything but the death, which is really universal truth. After dying our dead body will be buried right here. However, while I was getting out of my house and my nephew just called me that your tree's dragon has ripened. But I actually forgot to get our keys. Let me check out if I can open the gate. This is our garden gate actually. Have a look. There's a lock, but actually we, Mama, get over. Let's get over this fence. Come here. You come here. Now I actually just get over this fence because we forgot to take our key. However, look at this. This is a dragon. Is it ripen? Okay. Can I pull out? Can I pull out?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Here you go.
It's seizure.
It's been red. This is giant. Have a look. This is a giant. Oh my God! How can I do this? Okay. Okay. I need to pull it very hard.
So no problem.
This is really ripened dragon as well. And there we go. There is another one.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 dragons we have got from our own tree. And have a look. There is another fruit which is banana. Maybe they're about to get ripen as well, right? Now I have to get over the fence to go out of this side, Okay. We didn't know, but my nephew who really informed me, maybe he inspected very well, that's why, and even he is very good at. However, now I need to put them all at home. Mama, I'm coming back, okay, hold on. Before leaving our main area, we need to have a cup of tea as well. I just had our breakfast very little. Now, guys, we are looking for a tea shop where we will have tea with our nephew.
Yeah, not available.
Now, this is another village tea stall, as you can see, and just right beside, you can see there is a mosque, and next to this mosque there is another institution which is our primary school. So, can you do our water? No tea here?
Not available.
Not available?
Just jackfruit.
We have to decide very first another things, Let's continue to our destination. However, so we cannot get coffee or tea as well because no tea stall is open yet. So now it's time to hop on this van and really get to our main destination. Here we go. Today I will really get experience how hard it is to work under severe sun, We need to get experience sometimes. I have been really recommended for many weeks that you can do this kind of video through your channel. That's gonna be very positive and you can generate more views from the Western and European people also. We basically like to watch this kind of video. Guys, this is our main bus stop and there we go. have a look at this. The road is being really broken. You know, this is such a weird. Every month we get a road accident, and therefore a couple of the people really get lost their life. This is one of the anxiety for Jumuria dwellers. Finally guys, we have got the step from where we will really get over our destination. Let's move on. Here we go, and this is the main entrance way to go to his fish farm as well. And here we go. If I can flip over my camera, see, it's a bit dirty road, you know. Yesterday we got really rain, so that's why the water has accumulated here. This road is quite uneven, you know. Maybe this road is being constructed, or this will be constructed very soon, because it's been a commercial area. Actually, we are being surrounded with the grass. On the two sides, you can see the grass has grown up. Which way? This way? Or this way? Okay. So can I take off my shoe right here? How long we will have to go? How long way?
Coconut.
Coconut. Oh, okay. So we have to go. I'm really walking through a trail. It's a trail. No sooner had we reached to that spot, then my back burned out. So tiredness, or you know. Sometimes we need to get experienced having in this kind of environment. Wow, this is the place where we have decided to come over this place, as you can see. And what
Cucumber.
plant is this? Oh, cucumber.
And French long beans.
Oh, French beans. Oh my God. See, guys, how beautifully this man actually made a line, you know. There are two lines. One is on the left side, another is on the right side. And on the right side, as you can see, the cucumber. Can you tell me how much cucumber you pick up every day?
Every day, maybe 30 kg.
30 kg. Okay. How much per kilo cucumber? 35 taka per kilo. So this is a very good business. Very good business. Can I get one cucumber?
Yeah, of course.
So can you wash it, please?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, very delicious and really watering inside of this cucumber. There are so many seeds. Mama, how long does it take to turn this big cucumber from the seed? 40 days? Okay. Look at that. Can you turn the camera, you know? While I'm eating cucumber and let's strolling through this trail, and this place has been a little bit choppy as well with the rain, and really this trail got soaked with the rain as well. So let me help you. Hey, hold the camera please. Hurry up. Wait, and I'm gonna help you, Mama. This cucumber will be sent to the market. Maybe how much? If I reckon 30 kg. More than 30
আরো
kg.
30 কেজি একটু বেশি হবে
35 kg, maybe, I reckon. I am not really good at anticipation, you know. There you go. Now we have finished our work as well. The market is not really too far away from us. Probably it will take 15 minutes on the foot, right? So how will you go there? By walking on foot, or you will take this by van? Oh, okay. First he will get over this highway road, and then this bag will be taken on the van because it's heavy weight, you know. It's pretty difficult. And here we go, how he is climbing up. This is pretty difficult, guys. See how he has reached to the top. He is trying to get over the leaf. I mean the coconut trunk. Oh, maybe no. Now he is trying to pull out a coconut. He's twisting up. If you fall here, it might be broken. So how can I guess it? Hold on. Now, guys, I will try to guess it. Oh, wait. Let me move your phone. Okay. Ready? Oh my God! This little boy has brought a cutter as well now. Mama will cut it. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. The man really has got a cutter which is very blunt, no more sharpness as well, but nothing to do. We have to open it up with this blunt cutter. Let's give it a taste if it's sour or sweet. Oh my God. In the first sip, it's so sweet, guys. Guys, I have rolled up bottom of my pant. We got some rain, you know. This is a little bit choppy place, you know. Guys, finally we have got the wholesale market. It's a really curry wholesale, you know. After building up this wholesale market, so many people's employment has been created. This is a very good thing, you know. This is all of our market. Guys, you know, we were really trying to have a cup of tea at our village tea stall, but there were no more tea stall open up. So now we are trying to have a cup of tea. I have got our tea. Here we go. Me and Mama are having tea at this tea stall. And I don't like to put any sugar. A little bit sugar would be better. Finally, end of this video. Now I will have these betel nuts. You know, this is very familiar in Bangladesh. I will be chewing these betel nuts and really heading back to our home. Finally, I have to say something to you guys. This is a very first time I have created this vlog quality video. There will have many mistakes. My apology to you, but please don't look at my mistakes. But if you find any mistake, please try to make me correction. Gradually I will move on this kind of video. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.